Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make activated charcoal soap, but before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So firstly, you need glycerin based soap, which helps the skin retain moisture. It protects the skin from infection, it helps in reducing acne, it prevents dry, rough, scaly and itchy skin. You need activated charcoal, which cleanses the skin, it unclogs pores, it removes deeper skin impurities and dead skin cells. You need rose water, which hydrates the skin, it prevents fine lines and wrinkles, it reduces skin redness and lightens the skin. You need peppermint oil, which cleanses the skin, it soothes skin irritation and inflammation. You need coconut oil, which moisturizes the skin, it minimizes the signs of aging and it reduces skin inflammation. You need lavender oil, which lightens the skin, it reduces acne, wrinkles, skin redness and white skin patches. You need rosehip oil, which hydrates and moisturizes the skin, it brightens and exfoliates the skin, it boosts collagen formation, it reduces hyperpigmentation, inflammation and it protects the skin against sun damage. You need tea tree essential oil, which helps in fading acne, it treats eczema, skin inflammation, blackheads and it unclogs pores. Apart from disinfecting your working equipment, you also need rubbing alcohol to remove bubbles from your soap before cooling. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal. You can sieve it to ensure it is smooth. You won't want to have particles in your soap. I will be putting in 3 tablespoons of rose water, I'm just cutting my glycerin-based soap a little, after which I'll double boil it to melt. I'm now putting in my activated charcoal paste. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Next, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of lavender oil. After which, I'm putting half teaspoon of peppermint oil. I'm now putting 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. I'm putting about 5 drops of tea tree essential oil, then I'm mixing. I'm just coating my soap mold with coconut oil to enable the soap come out easily when it gets strong. So after pouring the soap into the mold, I'll spray my rubbing alcohol to take out the bubbles. And this is the finished result. This is a face soap, but if you want to make this soap to be used on your face and body, then you should use goat milk based soap in place of the glycerin based soap. This soap helps in unclogging pores. It reduces acne, wrinkles, blackheads, aging line, and skin irritation. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do that, where to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.